don't say that. He will.
How do you know?
I'll take your card. You know. Thank you. So I'll get Dad to be the waiter.
Cool. Right.
Okay.
Okay.
I feel like I'm not.
So, what are you going to say, Robert?
I look so smart, and I'm not.
Well, that's because you work here and we're coming for date night.
Good evening. Sorry. You don't want that background, do you?
Not really. I was hoping you would cover it though.
Can I be the psycho sort of like?
No, you're just a normal. No. Okay, that's going to count for the bloopers.
Barman stuff.
Barman stuff, you're just walking to a table.
Which table are we walking to?
Back snug radiator. I got candles.
That's what I'm like.
Just around the corner. It's okay, Dad will tell you. He'll direct you where it is because he's meant to do that as a job.
Bonsoir, comment ça va?
Table? That's as well as my French goes.
Okay, are we ready to... Okay, you ready to start?
No, Bruce.
Right, real now, come on.
Okay, there we go. Do you want to ring the bell or something?
Sorry.
I don't know.
Yes.
Wait, you have to...
You're meant to be over there.
Okay, you're not meant to be.
Oh, sorry.
Right. Okay.
Is anyone going to ring the bell? Are you kidding me?
That's not funny!
Ding.
Just imagine that there's a bit of string here and we can't snap it, okay?
String.
What if we snap it? We'll be like that. Well, we've just walked straight. We just walked in.
Sorry. What is that? Too?
Good evening.
Hello.
How are you?
Yeah,
I
well,
can't
good, thank
see you.
How are you?
Very well, thank you. How can I help you?
Can we have a table for two, please?
Yeah, I'm sorry, I fully booked. I don't know Robert.
No. He's just rung the bell and he's got a table booked for two. And you're like, oh, hello.
What
And-
name? What name is my table booked?
Well, hello, Webb, Rob, I don't care. Bob.
With what?
I'm not looking. I'm not looking.
Okay, we ready?
No.
Not yet? Okay.
Robert! Kane! Stop it! Compose yourself.
I can't see you till you're gone after Robert, Dad. Yes. Yeah, maybe if you walk down from
Yeah, maybe
there,
you
I
should
can
walk
see
down
you
from
there.
Right, ready, go.
Hi.
Hello, we've got a table booked.
Lovely. What was the name?
That was so well! Robert!
Seriously?
right, it's good.
Robert, that was all your fault then.
Are we composed?
Composed. Michaela's got 9 hours to do this.
I'm not much of a composer, but
Right, stop it. Not very good service here. Oh, that bell really hurts me.
But somebody at 11 thinks his alarm's going off. He's down breakfast. Okay. Hi.
Right, up there, please. Don't laugh, Robert. Ready? Go.
Hello. Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. We have a table booked this evening.
Lovely. What was the name?
The name.
1, 2, 3.
Hello.
Hello, welcome to Totnes Vegetarian Restaurants.
No!
Carrots and lettuce.
Where did he get that
It's a lovely. I'll tell you what, I really recommend the carrot because you want to send off. Lettuce with a bit of floppy in. That's it. It's not that nice. It's okay if you're on the rabbit.
Oh, it's a bit rimp.
You got a rabbit?
I got no rabbit.
Sorry, the restaurant's closed. You've got to have a carrot. We got no lights.
Thank you.
You've got to have a
You're
carrot.
the takeaway?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Good on that.
What is
Speaking
5
of German.
takeaway free?
Horseman door technique. Can I be Polish or something?
No! Just do your line. That's it.
No, how are you?
Hello. Very good, thank you. How are you?
Good, thank you.
Do we have a table booked this evening?
For how many, sir?
For 4 people.
Hello? Start again.
Okay, go on. Hello, good evening.
Hello. Good evening. We have a table booked this evening.
Walking properly.
Try it.
Hello, we have a table this evening for 2 people.
Let's try and get to the table.
Practice it.
Hello.
Hello. We have a table booked this evening.
Super.
Name of George, 2 people.
The camera's shaking.
George.
You did well then.
Would you like to sit next to rocking horse shit, sitting bull, and 2 chickens fucking?
Lovely, thank you. Oh dear. Right, come on. Final take.
This is why we're not enacting.
Hello there.
Good evening. We've got a table booked this evening.
Super. What was the name, sir?
George.
Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening. We have a table booked this evening for 2 people.
Lovely. Bishop?
Yep.
I have my eyes closed for most of that as well.
Wait, I hadn't got the thing on.
Okay.
One.
No,
wait,
no, yeah.
wait. Start again. Go back. 1, 2.
Good evening.
Hello.
No, I can't.
We have a
get
table
around.
booked.
We can't film to this angle. Well,
Okay, whatever you want. Just...
Hello, good evening.
Hello. We have a table booked this evening.
Super. What was the name, sir?
Oh, Robert.
You were doing so well.
Use my own name.
Yes. As long
Oh, let's use my own name then.
You want this dialect, Michaela, do you?
just a normal how you would greet a normal person that you don't know. Like people
don't
just
know
come
us.
in.
Operate the bell.
It's a very angry bang. Follow me through this way, please. Hurry up! Sorry. This one here.
Thank you.
Everything on the menu is on there, except what we don't have, and we sort out.